Good morning, student. I'm your MS and GK teacher, Lekha Parmar. So today we will start with the moral science lesson number 1, that is the cloth story. And this is the story about the God, that God is one. So let's start this story. Akbar, the great Mughal ruler, used to discuss many religious topics with his wise minister Birbal. One day, while King Akbar was on a walk with Birbal in the garden, he asked him, Birbal, last night I was thinking about something serious. So this is a story of Akbar and Birbal. You can see here in this pic. This is the King Akbar and this is Birbal. Okay. So one day they both are walking in the garden. That day Akbar asked the Birbal that last night I was thinking about something serious. Everyone says that God is one, but if you look around you will see that the people of the different religions pray to different gods. The Christians praise to Jesus, we worship Allah, and the Hindus worship various gods and goddesses. Then how can we say that God is one? So while walking, Akbar the king asked Birbal that I was thinking that everyone says that God is one. सब बोलते हैं that God is one, God एक है, भगवान एक है. So how God is one? As Christian prays to Jesus, Muslim prays to Allah, Hindu prays to different god and goddess. So how can you say that God is one? So Birbal is replying. Birbal, who was a wise man, looked at the king and said, Your Majesty, God is one. It is we who call him by different names. Birbal is saying that Your Majesty, king saying to King Akbar that Your Majesty, God is one, कि भगवान एक है, but we call them at different names, but we call them in different names. You should prove it, otherwise I will not accept your argument, Akbar said decisively. So the Akbar is saying that you have to prove this, that God is one, otherwise I will not accept what you are saying. So I shall prove it now. Now the Birbal is saying that I will prove this, that God is one. So see how he is proving, said a clever Birbal. He then clapped his hand and called up palace servant. Then pointing to the cloth wrapped around his head, he asked the servant, What is this? Then Birbal called one palace servant. You can see here, this is the servant. Birbal called the servant and asked, pointing his head. Birbal is asking to the soldier that, to the servant that, what is this? The servant is saying, let's see what he is saying. The servant replied, Head gear, sir. Birbal sent him away. He then removed his head cloth and unfolded the cloth. He is asking to the servant, what is this? Servant is saying the headgear, as we say safa, or you can see this is called, okay, in Hindi we say safa. Then Birbal told that servant that you can go, and he unfolded it. उसने उस कपड़े को निकाल दिया. He covered himself with it. He called another bearer of the coat and asked him, What is this? The bearer said, This is a shawl, sir. Then he unfolded this cloth and wrapped around his body. Then asked the another soldier, Then what is this? That soldier replied that, or the servant replied that, Sir, this is a shawl, as Birbal wrapped it like a shawl. So that servant replied that it is shawl. Then next Birbal sent him away too. Then Birbal sent that servant away. He then removed the cloth and wrapped it around his waist. You can see here, after sending that servant, he again wrapped that cloth around his waist. He then called a watchman and asked him, "What is this?" He replied, "This is a dhoti, sir." Now he called another servant. You can see here, watchman. Then again Birbal is asking to him, "What is this?" Then he replied, servant replied that this is dhoti, sir. Birbal then turned to the king and said, "You have seen, sir, how the same piece of cloth was called a headgear by one man, shawl by the second, and the dhoti by the third." Now the Birbal is saying to king, this is Birbal and this is King Akbar. Now the Birbal is saying to King Akbar then that, "Sir, see, one man is saying that it is headgear, second one is saying that it is shawl, and this man is saying that this is dhoti. The name of an article changes according to its place and application. Similarly, water is called the cloud, steam, or ice depending upon its external appearance, its material content being the same." So the Birbal is saying that, you can see, sir, that 3% call it 3 different ways. Like that, God is one, but we call them in different names and worship them with different names. Like that, for example, he is giving the example of water. Like water is turned into clouds, then steam or ice. It converts into different things, but we can call it water as it is formed by water. But we are saying due to its external appearance, मतलब वाटर कभी स्ट्रीम बनता है, कभी क्लाउड्स, कभी आइस, बट हम उसको वाटर नहीं बोलते हैं. वी कॉल देम क्लाउड, स्टीम एंड आइस. So it depends upon its appearance. So like that, he continued. Similarly, God is one. His names are many, changing with location and use. So Birbal is saying that like that only, God is one, but we call them with different names. Akbar smiled at Birbal and was satisfied with his wise reply. Now the Akbar is satisfied with Birbal's reply, and he is satisfied with his answer that God is one. So in this story, it is told that God is one, but we call God with different names. Okay, so student, go through this story. Till then, thank you. We will meet in next video. Bye.